Welcome back. This is Level Up with Safare. How you guys doing? This is another day in Vegas for me. Just out taking a quick walk on break. It's literally 111 degrees right now. It's extremely hot. Like, it's crazy hot. Like, it's almost, and it's like in Vegas, it's like dry heat, so it's like you don't even sweat. So you just feel like you're in a microwave or something. It's crazy. But anywho, yeah, man, hope you guys doing well. Hope you guys having a great time wherever you at. But yeah, I posted a video yesterday, and it was about how to make money online, different ways to make passive income, and just create at least a side hustle online. And I posted it on my social media because I got more people there or whatever. I actually just posted a raw video, and a lot of people ask me like, yeah, but how is this better than like Uber and Lyft and Amazon Flex and POSTMATES and DOORDASH and all that? And like, again, I directed them to the video. Sorry, I'm walking, so it's like cars around and shit. But let me show you. Can I show you where I'm at? I don't know. I guess I can. It's like a little area, just taking a quick walk. Sprinklers. But yeah, I was trying to explain to them because a lot of people, I guess, I don't know if they didn't understand it, they weren't getting it, but it's like when you try to give people information, you don't want to like make them feel bad while you explain it to them. So I again introduced the whole working for time thing and like explaining like you only have a certain amount of time to do Uber, to do Lyft, and even if you're the best driver, you have the best conversation, you have the best anything, like you're not going to be compensated for it. So it's like a cap. There's a cap on limit, and it's a cap on how much they'll pay you for your expertise or your abilities. And that's just not cool. Man, what's the point of being like above average, So yeah, I just explained that to them, and some of them got it. Some of them asked more questions like, yeah, but then you got to worry about it every day, and like the freedom of, like Uber and Lyft, you can turn on, turn off, and you can work with Amazon Flex when you want to, and stuff like that. And I don't know, it was, I get it, I see it. I think that a lot of the people who don't know about like businesses, online stuff, they just see it as being some massive, project that they have to do, and they don't understand, like, yeah, you might have put in some work at the beginning, like might have to learn some stuff, work some things out or whatever, but once you get it going, like once it's moving downhill, like it's a wrap after that. Like, this is better than working from home, because home can be wherever, home can be, Miami, if you don't live in Miami. Work can be out of the country, home and work can be in another country, anything, your possibilities are endless, and a lot of people got it when I brought that into it. They were like, oh yeah, I might not even have a car, or if I do go on vacation, I can't do this or can't do that, or you can't turn on like in a different city, so I don't know, like hopefully they got it, I think. And I also told them, like, a lot of people were, since I'm in Vegas, a lot of people were like, yeah, I'm good at gambling, I'm good at poker, or a lot of them are like, yeah, I'm good at hair, like doing hair, I guess for like conventions and like, I don't know, strippers or whatever, I don't know. So I was like, all right, cool. If you're good at poker, I talked to the poker guy, I was like, yeah, if you're cool at poker, all right, cool. You think you're better at poker than like half the people who play? Like, where are you at? Are you very good, above average? He was like, I'm good, but I'm not that good, but I could teach someone how to play. I was like, all right, that's all you need. I was like, all right, imagine if you do like everything that you know about poker on the internet, like in video form. Like, you talked about suits, you had different like hands, and you walked through your, exactly what you would do in these situations. And like, how long would that take? He was like, He was like 3 hours. And I was like, all right, cool. Imagine you made 20 videos in 3 hours, and you ended up, I just lowballed it. you know. I said, imagine if you put it online, you sold it for like $9, like 10 bucks, right? And I told him, imagine if you have 500 Facebook or Instagram or YouTube followers or whatever, you know? And I told him, what happened if, like, not even half, like 10%, right? 10% of your 500 friends, I just chose one, like 10% of 500 people, 50 people, right? If 50 people bought that $10 course that you did, how much is that? He was like, 500 bucks. All right, cool, 500 bucks. It doesn't sound like a lot, right? I'm like, yeah, I mean, I did work, you know, like I did some shit, so I should get compensated. I was like, how much work did you do? And he was like, I made 20 videos. But how long did it take you to make the videos? And he was like, 3 hours. Divide that by 500 and see that's how much you got paid an hour. And that's a lowball. I told him that's just the beginning. That's not even a big course. That's not even, you know, courses that people sell for $100, $400, $500, $1,000. Same principle. You do it once, you can get paid 1,000,000 times from it. And I think then everybody, because this was in a Facebook chat, you know, a Facebook group, a post. So after that, man, he got it, and I think everybody else did too. But once again, this is Level Up with Safare. Like, share, subscribe, do all that. Hope you're having a great day. More videos, I'm pumping them out as much as possible. I'm just trying to give information to people who don't really understand all this online stuff, because I didn't, you know, but it's so easy that everybody can get it. So I'm just trying to make this like for the regular person who's not a guru, you know, and somebody just trying to learn to make money. So Level Up with Safare. Please like, share, and subscribe. More videos coming. See you later.